us have this kind of consciousness or smarter or these big brains almost as like a roadblock or a disservice. It's like, you've heard the expression, you're too smart for your own good. And they gave us these brains so that we can like break things down and use data, grab these data points to block us. You guys ever play that game, Block Us? It's fun. To block us from getting to our heart center, to getting to the core, the essence, the innocence of us. And we just sit there in our depression. So you're gonna look crazy. Today is a quick one. You just grab a piece of paper, notepad, whatever, Post-it note, whatever, and you grab whatever's near you, a pen, pencil, and you hold it like a little kid, like a fist, like a stabbing motion, like it's a knife, and you stab the paper and then just start scribbling a circle and then smile the entire time while you're doing it. And it's better if you keep scribbling till like you rip through the paper, but see if that does anything.